My name's Daniel. I am a driver at Delifresh and I have been for the last 3 years.
The well-being of the driver is number one. That's the main priority of our business. We want them drivers to come into work and go home safely.
In the morning, first thing you do when you come in is you collect your driver pack, which has information about any numbers that you might require, any collections that you might need to do, and you'll start doing your Samsara walk around, going through all the points, taking all the pictures that are required, and then once you've done all that, you're then ready to set off on your route.
When a safety event comes in, we can review it and see if we need to help that driver in any which means necessary.
During that day where I had the harsh braking incident that sort of allowed me to then change my lifestyle, I was evidently quite tired through the camera footage, which I didn't notice myself prior to that.
On the day that Daniel's safety event came through as a notification, when I saw how close he got to that van and nearly went into the back of the van, it's like my heartbeat stopped.
When I was watching it back in my more alert state, more awake state, it allowed me to realise how close it had been, and I could see, watching back, the signs that I should have been slowing down in advance, which, due to my drowsiness, I hadn't seen in the moment. It gave me that self-awareness that I needed to sort of change my habits.
And he actually came to us with a strategy that he would put his alarm clock on an evening to prompt him to actually go to bed.
And that's what we try to do with our drivers. We try and show them these footages, these clips, to make them more aware of what they're doing, what impact that could have, so they can correct them behaviours, so they're more safe on the road and we're more confident that they're going out safe.
Since changing my habits after the Samsara intervention, I've definitely felt more awake and alert whilst driving at work, but also outside of work. The changing lifestyle that Samsara has helped me incorporate has definitely made me feel safer every day.
There's nothing else that's ever provided that co-pilot type experience for me.